My Little Pony Bubble Bath and Toothbrush Kit. My Simple Brilliance is one of the best sellers among baby bubble bath products. My Little Pony Bubble Bath 8 FLAs. In strawberry scent with easy-to-use pump. My Little Pony Fun Foam Puzzle 9 Bath Puzzle Pieces. My Little Pony Oral Care Travel Kit. Pack of 2 toothbrushes soft bristle with travel caps. Featuring Rainbow Dash and Pinkie Pie. ADA accepted. Toothbrush designed for child's mouth. Plus fun foam puzzle pieces to make bath time a treat. My Little Pony Bubble Bath and Toothbrush Kit makes bath time and brushing time fun. Includes bubble bath in an easy-to-use pump dispenser, a delightful strawberry scent, and a fun foam puzzle for bath playtime entertainment. My Little Pony Oral Care Travel Kit includes 2 toothbrushes with soft bristles designed for a child's mouth with travel caps featuring Rainbow Dash and Pinkie Pie. Makes a great gift for your My Little Pony fan.